So there's a software update for the OnePlus Watch 2, and I can only assume they watched my video and took my advice because they added a feature. So let's get into settings here. And we're going to scroll down to display and brightness. They've always had the raise to wake, and you could toggle that on and off, but they added the tap to wake that you could toggle on and off. This might save some battery because then the screen is not being toggled on and off throughout the day without you knowing about it. That's a nice option that they gave us. They also added 2 apps. Let me show you those. Let's get into the app drawer here, and it's all the way at the bottom. But they added a barometer, which will give you, obviously, your air pressure here, but it also give you an estimation of your elevation. It's not 100% accurate, but again, it's an estimation. Then they also gave you a couple extra breathing exercises here. So we got mindful breathing, bee breathing, and pre-sleep breathing. And then if you click on any of these, you could change how long you want to do it for, and then go ahead and start. And it'll just walk you through it and give you some breathing exercises to relax you. See you on the next video. Thanks.